I said I will try and I will see that on the land what is it. कोणाचें कितें आसा जर जाय. I am an archaeology archives minister. From my department, if I extend some funds for the restoration of this house, provided there are no disputes arising out of that. Even if there are disputes, I will take the help of the MLA and all those who are working for restorations of this. We will try and work out. If nothing comes out, then legally what is possible, and if it is lagging behind because of funds, then we can say. म्हाका तर कितें आसा, एक म्हणजे इफ हांव मुख्यमंत्र्या कडेन उलयतां आनी जर ते आमकां नोटिफाय करपाक मेळटा एज अ आर्कियोलॉजिकल मॉन्युमेंट जाल्यार परत एक फावटी आमच्या हातान कितें तरी येवपाक
Can I just explain? You see, Dr. Francis Lewis Gomes' family was not a poor family. They were very rich. In fact, my mother used to tell me from the Navili church to the old railway station was their land. Maybe they had taken a loan or I don't know. But today, that land is in somebody's name. They have not given it on rent. The building is collapsing. Only small part of the house is still standing. What Honorable Minister has said, Honorable Chief Minister also had assured, somebody has to follow it up. It is not in Navili customs. It is falling in Margaon customs. Therefore, I didn't want to talk about it. But somebody has to follow up. It's not a big amount. Even suppose that land somebody has made in his name, you have to find out, because it's very historic. It should be converted in the museum or something like that. It should be restored. I'm so happy and I'm very grateful to you for taking decision. I am also grateful to the Chief Minister, because last time when he came to unveil his statue, he had given this promise that he will study it. Somebody has to study, and I hope any help you need, I will be there. But you also consulted the local MLA, because it falls,
We will
earlier
try
it
to
was
resolve
part of
this issue
Navili customs.
amicably, contacting the person who has a dispute, and we will find out how
I
we
don't
can.
think there is a dispute. Somebody is coming and staying in that. You see. They are staying legally, illegally, I don't know.
मुळीसिंग बाबान आनी एक